Hi everyone, today we're going to be going over how to enroll in Bio 199 once you have found a faculty mentor. So you have found a faculty mentor. Now we're going to explain how you guys can enroll in Bio 199. So there are a few steps involved. So first you're going to want to complete the appropriate packet on the BioSci 199 research dashboard. This will be either packet A or packet B. And it's important to note that Packet B will have additional requirements that might take a little longer to complete. And then finally, once your packet is approved, you are clear to enroll on WebReg. Okay, so these requirements apply to both Packet A and B. So the first one is your Bio 199 research proposal. So you will be able to create this proposal within your packet in the research dashboard. And once you have filled out the appropriate information, you will download this proposal and have it sent by or have it signed by your mentor. Also, the waiver and release of liability. So these forms can be found in the Packet A and Packet B downloads under BioSci 199 downloads on the research dashboard, and you will have these signed and then upload them. Then we have the UCLC certificates. So there are 3 requirements: the laboratory safety fundamentals, hazardous waste, and responsible conduct of research. So you will not submit these to your packet, you will instead submit them to your faculty mentor. And please keep in mind that research packets are valid for 1 year. They expire at the end of spring quarter and will need to be renewed from then. Okay, so once your packet is approved, you will be able to enroll in WebReg. Note that you will need to fill out the variable units section in WebReg, and you can find this number of units by discussing it with your faculty mentor. This should be a number that you guys have agreed upon. Okay, and then a few tips for success. So, 1, start early. The process to get approved to enroll in Bio 199 can take a while, and keep in mind that the deadline to enroll is Friday of week 2 for all quarters, including fall, winter, and spring. And Packet B requirements can take a little bit longer because there are additional requirements such as medical clearance. And then finally, UCLC access can take a bit, and they do need to manually give you access to the specific modules. Also, make sure to stay on top of deadlines. So remember to renew your packet once per year, remembering that they expire every spring quarter at the end. And then also keep in mind that there are the add drop deadlines. Okay, so as we discussed, Packet B does have a few more requirements. So some of these include a signed department orientation record, signed UC Irvine Healthcare Confidentiality Agreement, Bio 199 health clearance, and 2 additional UCLC certificates. This includes the fire safety and annual training for students. So make sure to complete these, and these can all be found within the Packet B download in the research dashboard. And then these will all be submitted in the Qualtrics survey that will be sent to you after your packet is approved. Okay, now we'll be walking through how to obtain your health clearance. So first you're going to navigate to the Student Health Center website, and then you're going to go under Patient Portal and then follow the Student Health Patient Portal link. From here, you're going to select Messages on the sidebar and then New Message. Then select I would like to send a clinical secure message to the Student Health Center. Then on this page, you can indicate what type of clearance you are requesting. This will be Bio 199, and then you can also indicate what quarter you are requesting this clearance for. And then from here, just fill out the rest of the information, and an employee from the Student Health Center will follow up with you from here. So to go over the specific health clearance requirements, there are 2 tests, including a recent tuberculosis TB test and a recent hepatitis B titer test. There are also different vaccination documentation requirements, including MMR, varicella, and Tdap. Okay, so once you have submitted your packet and been approved, you will be sent a Qualtrics survey to your email. Make sure to fill this out and submit your health clearance and the additional UCLC module requirements and any other requested information here in order to be fully cleared for enrollment. If you guys have any further questions, please contact our BioSci Student Affairs office.